What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can permanently delete your World of Tanks Blitz account, aka how to delete the WarGaming account. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So first off, click on your name in the upper right corner and go over to the Account Management tab, right here. Here you can see all the information that WarGaming has about you. So on this page, just simply scroll down until you reach the bottom, and here you have 4 different options regarding the managing of your account. So you have access control, subscription management, invoices, and data protection. So in our case, we want to delete an account, so we need to go to the Manage Data tab right here. On this tab, you have 2 options regarding your data: exporting your data or completely deleting your account alongside with all of your information. So to proceed, simply click Delete Account. Then a new page will load specifically designed for the account deletion. So here you just need to input your WarGaming email address. And here it's worth noting that WarGaming allows you up to 45 days after submitting the account deletion request to cancel it or recover your account. So if you change your mind within the 45 days period, you can actually recover your account. So once you inputted your email address, to send a request to delete your account, simply click the orange Continue button. Once you clicked that button, WarGaming will send you an email which contains the deletion confirmation link. So from here, just go ahead and open up your email address, and this is how that email will look. So we received a request for deleting your WarGaming account. To continue with deletion process, click on the Confirm button. So then just go ahead and click Confirm. Then again you will be redirected onto the WarGaming page with the same 45-day disclaimer right here, and to continue just simply click Continue. And that was the last step. So the request for deleting your account has been received. So that's how you can delete your WarGaming's aka World of Tanks account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.